What's up investors, my name is Arnd, and in a couple of minutes you'll notice the dividend discount model. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing watching such short videos, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel so you won't lose it. I'm Russian, so let's get straight to the point. Alright, so the dividend discount model, or DDM, is the method that attempts to estimate the value of a stock by taking its future dividends and discounting them to the present value. Another popular method of estimating the value of a stock is called the discounted cash flow model, and if you're not sure what that means, feel free to watch my previous video. And here is an example. Many investors try to estimate the value of a stock using different methods, and dividend discount model is just one of them. And obviously it is worth mentioning that since this model uses dividends, it is only applicable to companies that pay dividends. The idea of this method is to estimate future dividends and discount them to its present value, which basically means how much these dividends are worth now, assuming you're gonna invest them at this very moment. Because $1 right now is more valuable than $1 in the future. And one of the reasons for this, it is because you can invest this dollar and get, let's say so, 10% return on it. Which means that if you invest it right now, in the future you will have $1.10 instead of just $1. And this is the approximate idea of what the dividend discount model attempts to find. And its formula is simply annual dividend divided by cost of equity minus average dividend growth rate. Since this formula uses some assumptions, the final result will never be an exact number. Additionally, as we all know, the market is irrational. That is why you should use this model just to give you an idea whether the stock of a company is over or undervalued. If DDM calculation gave you the value of a stock which is higher than its current share price, then probably this stock is undervalued. And the opposite is true. If DDM value is lower than its current share price, then probably the stock is overvalued. You can also use both conservative and aggressive estimations, which will give you a very good range where the stock price should be based on both optimistic and pessimistic scenarios. Additionally, dividend discount model is more suitable for companies which have more or less stable and predictable dividends. On the other hand, if a company randomly increases and decreases its dividends from time to time, then it might be very complicated to estimate its real average growth, which will definitely distort the number that you will receive from the DDM calculation. This video was just about the definition and the purpose of the dividend discount model. So just let me know if you want me to make a video about finding the value of a stock using this model. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions left. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else interesting for you. Thank you so much, comrades.